Stop buying expensive protein powders. You don't need to spend a fortune to get high-quality plant protein into your diet. Most store-bought powders are loaded with fillers, artificial flavors, and ingredients you can barely pronounce. Let's make our own. Clean, powerful, and made with love. When you make it yourself, you know exactly what's going in, and you can customize it to your taste and needs. Plus, it's a fun kitchen project you can do solo or with family. Here's my secret. You don't need fancy machines or weird ingredients. No need for high-tech blenders or rare superfoods. Just a simple grinder or blender and a few everyday staples will do the trick. Just grab some pantry basics that are packed with plant protein. Here's my go-to blend. These are ingredients you probably already have at home, and they're all affordable and easy to find. 100 grams almonds, 100 grams Moong Dal, both are protein-rich and add a creamy texture to your powder. 100 grams chickpeas, 100 grams green gram, 100 grams soybeans, 50 grams peanuts, 50 grams sunflower seeds. Each one brings its own unique nutrients and flavor profile. 50 grams pumpkin seeds, 100 grams oats, 100 to 200 grams quinoa. These add fiber, minerals, and a subtle nutty taste. And 50 grams flax or chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3s and help bind the powder together. Each one brings a punch of protein, around 22 to 25 grams per 100 grams, depending on your mix. You can adjust the ratios to suit your taste or dietary needs, making it as mild or as robust as you like. Step 1. Time to roast. Roasting not only enhances the flavor, but it also makes the ingredients easier to blend and digest. Spread everything out on a tray and roast them at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir once or twice for even roasting. You want that nutty, toasty smell, but don't let them burn. Roast them separately. Remember, always separately. Keep an eye on them as some seeds roast faster than others. And remember, let them cool down completely before you even think about blending otherwise. You will get paste instead of powder. Fun fact. Oil content in nuts and dal make them paste, if not cool them down and decrease their shelf life. That's key for a smooth powder and happy blenders. Hot ingredients can create steam and clumps, so patience pays off here. Next, grind everything in small batches. This helps you get a finer, more even texture and prevents your blender from overheating. You can make it super fine or leave it a little chunky if you like texture. A coarser blend is great for adding crunch to your breakfast bowls. Want to level up? Add a 50 grams of Moringa or 50 grams of ragi powder. Extra nutrition, zero effort. Packed with vitamins, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Once you've got your protein goodness all ground up, mix it together in one big bowl. This ensures every scoop has a balanced mix of all the ingredients. Store it in an airtight jar. Good for a month in your pantry, or toss it in the fridge and it'll keep for 3. Label your jar so you remember what's inside and when you made it. So, how do you use it? The possibilities are endless, and you can get creative every day. Easy. Add a scoop or two to your morning smoothie, and you've got a protein boost that blends right in. Stir it into overnight oats, pancake batter, or even mix it into your favorite porridge for extra staying power, or even your favorite energy balls. It's perfect for homemade snacks and post-workout bites. You get all the power, minus the funky chemicals and mystery additives. Your body will thank you for keeping it real and natural. Here's why I love this. It's homemade, you control what goes in, and your body actually understands these ingredients. You're nourishing yourself with real food, not just a supplement. Eat what you understand. That's real Sajagabojan. Conscious eating is about making choices that are good for you and the planet. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you try your own twist on it. Share it with a friend or a vegetarian partner who don't have enough of proteins, or your parents or children for everyday protein, because good food is even better when shared. And don't forget to subscribe for more conscious eating. There's so much more to explore on this journey. Drop your favorite blend in the comments or share your own creative protein powder ideas, and check the description below for a full nutrition breakdown. I've included all the details so you can make informed choices. Let's eat smart and feel strong together. Here's to health, happiness, and conscious eating, one homemade scoop at a time. With love, Viska Sajagabojan.